Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to remove background in photo using CapCut. So you have to just simply go to your CapCut app and tap to search bar for type background remover photo. So you have just simply type in the search bar background remover photo. So when you click it, so there the templates are ready to. So I will choose this second one to perform background removal. So I use this template for removal of background of photo. So I select randomly of mine photo to remove background. So you see it's working. The photo of background is removed and they are black plain, and I will export without watermark to my gallery. So it will be exporting to my gallery. So it's 100 and it will be saved into my gallery photo remover background. So this is how to remove background photo in CapCut using. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.